So welcome back. We have reached to the very interesting phase of our campaign designing. So let us discuss the remaining but important points of our campaign designing. Let me show you how to create the ad from scratch. Here we have two options. The first one is carousel and the second one is single image or video. The difference in both is, in case of the carousel ads, you may use multiple images and videos in a single ad with different headlines and descriptions. However, in case of single image and video ads, it is simple. You cannot use more than one image or video in a single ad. Firstly, we will see how to create a single image ad. One image is already selected and this image is cover photo of our page. We have multiple options to add the images to our ads. Let us clear first our default image. Now from here, click on image to select the image. It shows many sources of images. These are our ad account images. From this drop down, you can select more sources of images like page images, Instagram images and others. But I always prefer to use the stock photos. This is free source of photos that you can use in your ads. Select it and search for images with few keywords. I am searching the images with word digital. We have so many images here, we have to just select an appropriate image. Let me select this one and continue. Yes, image is there. You can change this image if you want in the future. Or you can add few more images as well. If you have your own images, then you can use this upload button. If you want to select multiple images, you can do that as well. Just look at the process. See, our multiple images are added. As we need one image only, so let me delete rest of the images from our ad. Before we enter any text, just note that on the right hand side we have the live preview of our ad as well. Depending upon the nature of our ad, 18 previews are available. You can toggle between various previews. Red minus sign shows your ad is not eligible to be shown for this type of placement. First, we have to edit the primary text. Here is the message showing that the primary text will be shown in 3 lines. And from here, you can edit the primary text. Let me edit it. Keep your primary text under 125 characters. Depending upon the placement, this is the place where primary text will appear in the advertisement. Next, add the URL of your website. This is the actual URL of your website and a user will land on this page after clicking the ad. Let me change the preview to the desktop news feed. We have few more options, but these options are optional. If you want to make use of these options to insert more content to your advertisement, you can do that. Give the headline first up to 40 characters. This is the place where headline will appear, just at the bottom of the image. Give the description of your ad and description will appear here. Now enter the final URL of your website here. You can see the final URL will appear on the ad at this place. This is the display link. You can customize this link as per your requirements. Here you need not to give the actual URL of your website. This is for display purpose only. Your display URL will be shown here. Next we have call to action. Facebook has predefined multiple call to actions like send message, apply now, book now, and so on. We have to select our call to action out of the given options only. Let me select learn more. See, our call to action is added to the ad. Next we have the tracking options. Leave these options as default. Our campaign is almost final. Let me just have the final preview of your ad. Click on these three dots and select expand. This is the final preview of our ad. You can see this ad is attributed to our Facebook page, that is Digi Services. This is the primary text, image that we selected, the URL of landing page. This error is because of more characters in our headline beyond the limit. Just cancel or reduce the number of characters in your headline. Confirm it. Enter your business details here. I have entered my all details here. Press continue. Enter your bank details. If you haven't already entered the bank details at the time of the account setup, press confirm and your ad will be submitted to the Facebook for review purpose, and within few hours you will get the green signal to run your ad. But sometime it may take a day or 2 days for confirmation of your ads. So this was all about Facebook campaign designing. During the process of campaign designing, you must have noticed that there are many goals and ad formats. I will advise you to just play around these ad formats and ad goals. So you will learn it better for sure. So thank you so much for being with me. So I will meet you during next week.